Hello all, Emmeric's back. Today, as it's such a lovely day, I thought I'd go through the process in various stages to show you how easy it is to fit a grille to the W204 model's Mercedes. You can see I've got... Right, first things first, we have to remove these two air intakes, which is just held on basically with a little clip. You can see here. So let's put you on top of the engine, and I'll do that side of it first. Right, I can literally use my key fob, but you can use a screwdriver. I've not got one close at hand at the moment, but if you can take, and it's all a matter of just pushing down that little clip. Comes off quite straightforward. There you go. Let's take a look at the other side. Not a great effort. Just push that down and pull. Simple. Stage one complete. Right, the next stage is just this little clip. This shield clips to another bracket that connects directly to the grille. So all we need to do is just turn that quarter of a turn. You can feel it come loose, no problem. And now it's a slightly more finicky, awkward bit. It's removing this section that's held in with two clips each end. But just before that, you need to remove the actual bonnet puller lead. Right, basically attached to this shield that we're going to remove, we have to remove first the bonnet latch wire that comes through. And if you can see here, see if you can see, this lead is actually, this wire is actually attached, and all we have to do is literally just pop it out. It's not rocket science, it's a very easy procedure. There you go, just pop it out. We've also got it there, but also on the other side. Right, next stage is to remove the shield. Basically what you can see is we've got this clip on the outside of this metal shield. There's a metal piece here, a plate rather, and all we have to do is pull this. You can see it's in there. You need to pull this out, but also there's a clip inside. But what I find is that what you can do is push that clip in like this. Can you see me? Push that clip in, and at the same time pull this clip out, and it would just come off. Let's do that now. Simple. Let's do the other side. Right, finally, to take this shield off, all you have to do is, it's clipped under here. On both sides. So all we do is literally just pull that back, and it will pull up. Trouble is I need two hands, so we pull it back from both sides and then pull it off. Should be as easy as that. Let's check it out. And there you have it. Let's take a look at the clips. You can see what's going on. You've got that little clip I was pushing there, and you pull this one out. So, you know, push, pull, and pull up. And I'll just show you what this actually clips onto. It's just a square hole, just to give you an idea. Right, we've removed the cover fully, and now it's just a matter of unscrewing this. Basically it's joined to the grille itself. It can be clipped off, but it's just to secure it so the grille doesn't, you know, push back, and keeps it more secure. And it's just held on with one bolt basically, and that's size, it's a 10mm socket. And I've got this little cycle tool. It's got 3 different sizes from 8 to 10mm. which works brilliantly. We just unscrew that because it doesn't have to be tightened up too much, so it's easy to come out. Let me put that over there. Hopefully I don't forget about it. And this just is loose. Now it's all about taking this this grill out. Right, let's get down to it. Exciting stuff. They can be a little bit sticky, these grills, so they get a lot of grub and grime around them. And if that's the case, use a little bit of WD-40 or something else, a degreaser, just to clean the grime out, which might make it a little bit easier. But I've removed this recently. All we have to do is literally, there's some little tabs that come out that hold the actual grill in place at the bottom, and then you've got two bigger tabs at the top that keep it secure. First thing to do is just tap it like this. Just keep tapping it, and eventually it will come out from these tabs. Let's take a closer look at these tabs. Also the two at the top, right here, they just slip down. And you've seen the grill was almost on the verge of come out anyway. But with these tabs, be very, very careful. They're not that strong and you don't really want to snap them off. So I'm literally going to be able to just pull this up now, because I pulled the tabs out from the bottom. So you push it out away from the tabs. Be careful, make sure that they're not catching on, and just pull the grill up. Hey, and there it is. How simple is that? Let's put that grill aside. Let's see if this new grill fits and what it looks like. I've not even seen it, and I'm gonna unbox it now, and hopefully I'm gonna like it and not made a mistake. As I say, here's my lighted star, which hopefully will fit. Sometimes they don't. I might have to tweak it around. And here it is, my new grill, and it's, like I say, it's not been opened. We've got a big copper staple through there. Get that tape off. Right. Oh, there you go. So it comes with its own brand new secure bracket. Hopefully that will fit, but we will see. If not, we might be able to use the old standard bracket, which I've used before, and if you're lucky enough. Here we go. I hope I like it. Cost me £67. And what do you guys think? Check it out. It's well looked after and well wrapped. Wow, I'm liking what I'm seeing at the moment. It's like Christmas come early, isn't it? Oh wow, that is the best grill I've seen. I love this at the moment. Hopefully it will fit, but look at that. That is fantastic. We'll check that out. I've put the bracket on the back ready for clipping in, and let's fit this bad boy. Looks great. Right, we've obviously got the clips to be mindful of. Let's get that bit of muck out, and they will line up along the bottom. You've got the clips at the back ready to locate, but obviously we've got these guides at the top to secure it there, so we'll put those just in roughly in the position because it lines us up. Like so, and we just want to keep them just not quite home, but at the same time make sure these bottom clips are lined up, because you don't want to pull this in if one of them's out and you snap it off. So put your fingers through the grill and just pull it towards you. Yeah, that's now solid. Wow, so impressed with that. It's one of the best grills I've seen. This is the AMG I'm glad I went with it now, because the other one, the diamond one, it's not really sporty enough, but this one's got that sporty look. Looks fantastic. This will light up at night as well, like I say. But it's all about just putting everything back on now, which is the reverse of what we've already done. So I'm not going to insult your intelligence, and basically that's about it. It's quite an easy process, really, and it's certainly something that will change the appearance of your car. Quite a nice little easy mod, eh?